Hello and welcome to a video which has sort of been a procrastination project for the last few months, but I finally finished it now. The final result is this top, which I basically embroidered with a lot of flowers and plants for the summer, but I got the original inspiration for this when I visited the National Botanical Garden of Wales last month. So when I went there, I was really taken in by how many of these amazing plants I'd never even heard of before. So I wanted to try and capture that in a fashion design, so that's why I'm doing botanical embroidery. So that's a bit of background to the project. To actually start sewing, first of all, I found this old top at a charity shop. I thought the sleeves worked pretty well with the inspiration because structurally they kind of remind me of a greenhouse or a terrarium, and the white colour was a good blank canvas for embroidery. So I thought I'd go with that and see what happened. The first thing I did was adjust the sleeves by taking out the elastic because they're originally way too tight. It actually started to kind of hurt your arms and cut off your blood circulation after a while, so I had to sort that out. But after that, it was time to get decorating the top. I decided to do this on the main fabric at the top, not the sleeves, because the sleeve fabric was thinner and I didn't want it to be irritating. I used a pencil to sketch out some branches, and then this bronze fabric paint to actually apply the colour before I let the top dry in the sun. And after that I could go on to sew the actual flowers for the embroidery. You can see I did some French knots, I did some lazy daisies, some chain stitch, some feather stitch. The embroidery took a while, to be honest, but luckily it's one of those things where you can multitask and do something else at the same time. For example, while you embroider, you could start binge watching a new Netflix series, I'm just saying. And after a couple of weeks, I finally finished the embroidery. So this is what the top looks like after I've done all of that. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you have a nice start to the summer. Bye!